Surah Al-Anbiya focuses on the stories of prophets, emphasizing the unity of their message and fundamentals of faith. It warns of the Day of Judgment, affirms God's oneness, and supports Prophet Muhammad's message as a continuation of previous prophets' calls to worship Allah alone. The surah narrates stories of prophets like Ibrahim, Nuh, Dawood, Sulaiman, Ayyub, Yunus, Zachariah, Yahya, and Isa, consoling the prophet and reminding people of God's ways with past nations. It affirms the unity of the prophet's call to worship Allah alone. The surah praises prophets and believers, indicating the fate of disbelievers and believers. It depicts scenes from the Day of Judgment, warning of its horrors and emphasizing accountability and rewards. It begins with a warning of the approaching hour. The surah addresses the mockery of messengers and revelation by disbelievers, highlighting their ignorance of the gravity of the matter. It describes the horrors of the Day of Judgment and the consequences of disbelief and turning away from the truth. It questions polytheists' worship of powerless deities, illustrating their inability to create or provide. The surah affirms Allah as the sole creator and sustainer, deserving of worship. It emphasizes the unity of the prophet's call despite differing circumstances. The surah highlights the singular origin of religion, Islam, as submission to Allah. It clarifies that detailed laws may differ, but the essence remains the same. Allah sent messengers successively to remind people of the truth and invite them to it. The surah recalls the destruction of nations that denied their messengers and how Allah destroyed them for their obstinacy. In contrast, it illustrates Allah's support and salvation of believers due to their faith and steadfastness in the truth. In summary, Surah Al-Anbiya provides a comprehensive picture of the Prophet's role in human history, emphasizing faith in one God and the Day of Judgment. It warns against heedlessness and denial, offering lessons and admonitions to guide hearts and strengthen faith.